The precursor to learning Passé or Pike turns is to be able to find that balance. So you can do that by practicing planks. You can do a push-up and hold pose and find your balance. Try balancing on one arm, all of that stuff. From there, we rotate. Your hands lengthen on the ground. And again, you treat them as though they're your feet. So your palm needs to lengthen, your fingers all need to lengthen. This is super important for finding your balance instead of gripping the floor and riding up to the tips of the fingers, unless if a move calls for it. There are certain exceptions. More often than not, you want to be lengthening those so you can control the movement and not be super impactful on your joints. When you go to turn, the tighter you can get your arms, and again, this comes down to some flexibility, but the tighter you can get those arms, the less of a rotation you're going to have. If you are keeping your arms further apart, you're going to find that your feet become a pivot point and you're going to create an arc as you move. Almost everybody who starts these does that, but over time that does go away the more you practice that arm positioning. That's even more true when you go to do the Passé turns, where you have one point on your foot and you're only using one foot. You're likely to create that arc. There are different nuances too that we take in consideration. Some people, some instructors, some choreographers ask you to roll over to the ball of the foot. Others ask you to roll onto the top of the foot. Some of that also comes down to your strength in a little bit of age group. Again, if you're applying pressure to your foot and that foot plate has not reached an appropriate fusing point, you can actually create some damage to the foot and the plate growth, and that's things that we don't want. So when you're in the ball of the foot position, there's less impact and less stress than grinding over it. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about V spins. I will see you then.